Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing for Bargain Bead Box for August of 2025. I'm a little late with all these. I was doing a market. I was getting ready the last couple of weeks. It was my first outdoor market. So I had a lot of stuff to prepare for, and I just didn't get any of my unboxings done yet. So I'm doing this now. If you're not familiar with Bargain Bead Box, it's a monthly subscription with beautiful beads, gemstones, findings, all kinds of stuff. They give you a couple pendants or pendant or two every month, and it's a collection, and everything matches, so you can make jewelry right out the door from this. All you need is a few tools. The monthly boxes are $24.99 a month, and they're usually priced between $60 to $80, so you get a really great deal on it. I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. So let's get started and see where we're at. This one is Bohemian Nights. Ooh, I like it already since I make boho jewelry. We're celebrating the celestial with this free-spirited collection, starring a high-quality cubic zirconia pendant and matching charms, plus turquoise, Magnusite, Carnelian, quartz, and more. We love the colorful crystal accents and 18-karat gold plate findings. Okay. So, let's see this box. Oh, so there are 21 things in this box, and the estimated retail value is $95.29. So you cannot tell me that this is not a good box. So let's see. I usually do this, I probably would have done this Friday, but I was so busy getting ready. So, oh, cool right here. Oh, love those. Oh, cool little moons. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh, faceted Carnelian, always the best. Oh, nice spacers. Oh, these are cool. Little moons. Oh, I love this. Yeah. Oh, okay. Let me get everything set up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are starting out with this 34 by 30 millimeter, 18-karat gold-plated brass and cubic zirconium pendant. Look at how beautiful this is. Wow. This is really pretty. It's very unique from what we usually get from them. I love the holes in there. Oh, it's so pretty. I just changed up my filming, so I'm trying to make sure I'm center right now. I'm not used to this setup. But yeah, oh, that's really pretty. Okay, and number 2 is 2 pieces of 16 by 14 millimeter, 18-karat gold-plated brass and cubic zirconium star charms. Oh, okay, so here's the back, and here's the front. I want to make sure yep, okay. So these are really pretty. Show them up close. These would be pretty. You could just put some ear wires on and make a pair of earrings with them. Okay, and number 3 is 15 inches of 8 millimeter turquoise Magnusite dyed heated round beads. And these retail for $7.99. And their beads are really nice. The holes look really good. Really pretty. Oh, we're going to have fun with this box. I'm done setting up for my markets. Everything's done, so I can spend some time filming. And number 4 is 15 inches of 6 millimeter synthetic turquoise man-made matte round beads. These are cool. I mean, you could just put this on a wire and make a double bracelet out of it if you want to. Very pretty. Okay, And number 5 is 7 inches of 6mm blue agate dyed heated faceted round beads. Oh, yes. Hello. Look at how pretty these are. Ooh. And they got the sparkle because they're faceted, because they're cut at angles. Oh, how pretty. Cannot wait to work with this box. And number 6 is 10 pieces of 18-karat gold-plated brass moon phase beads. Oh, look at how fun these are. Let me put them on. Let me put them a couple on. Put a few on just to kind of show you. So see, that's, how cute are these? Oh, these would be so much fun to work with. So much fun to work with. Okay, number 7 is 15 inches of 3mm golden rutilated quartz faceted round beads. Rutilated, I think. Don't quote me if I'm wrong. These are really pretty. They almost have like the color's almost like a wheat, because it's not really a warm color, but yet it's sparkly, more of a cool tone. Very pretty. Okay, and number 8 is 7 inches of 8mm star cut carnelian dyed faceted round beads. Oh, it's got some weight to them too. Look how pretty these are. Look at that sparkle. I love carnelian. It's such a pretty color. It's perfect for fall. Gorgeous. And number 9 is 7 inches of 6x5mm faceted crystal lantern beads in teal iris. Oh, these are really nice. It's got a little weight to them too. Look how pretty. I love when they have the matte and the sparkly. So pretty. Such a beautiful box, but they never disappoint. Number 10 is 3x2mm crystal faceted rondelle beads in Bohemian mix. Oh, these are fun. It's a nice long strand too. Very pretty. Like a fun festive color. Okay. Oh, these are cool. And number 11, 10 pieces of 14x10mm glass crescent beads in champagne. Okay, we're gonna have to put, these are gonna be fun. Let's put a few just to kind of show you. Oh, look how cute these are. These are really cool. Oh, I'm loving these. You can do a lot with these. It's a really unique box. Not that they're not all amazing, but this one's got some really cool shapes to it. Oh, and this is cool. Number 12 is 10 pieces of 13mm glass moon and star coins in steel blue. These are gorgeous. Oh, these got weight to them too. Maybe I'm just becoming a lightweight in my old age. Okay. I'm just gonna hold a couple up close so you can see them. Very cool. They're the same on both sides. Oh, these are really pretty. Very different. Okay. Number 13 is 20 pieces of 10mm crystal faceted round beads in jade blue. Oh, yes. Always pretty. Look at that. the faceted, look at, just holding that up, look at, you get that sparkle there. So pretty. Okay. And number 14 is 2 pieces of 9x7mm 18 karat gold plated brass and cubic zirconium moon charms. Oh, pretty, 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 pretty. Oh, look at how cute they are. That's the back of them. Oh, how pretty. And number 15 is 4 pieces of 22x16mm 18 karat gold plated brass crescent moon links. Oh, yes, these are awesome. They're the same on both sides. Oh, how pretty are these? Very pretty. Okay, and then number 16 is a 30x21mm 18 karat gold plated brass chandelier pendant. Oh, this is cool. And there's 4 holes in it, as you can see. So you could do a lot with this. We're gonna have to think about this. I'm gonna have to keep that out for a little bit on my desk here and just stare at it till I get some ideas. Oh, this is really nice. Number 18 is 100 pieces of 3.5x2.5mm faceted cubic spacer beads, lead nickel cadmium free. Oh, these are really nice. 100 of them too. And this could be, put this for a couple different pieces of jewelry. Very pretty. Oh, I love this. Okay. Number 19 are 100 pieces of 6mm filigree bead caps. Wow, 100 here too. I know it doesn't look like a lot, but they're so thin. Some of them are like 4 and 5 doubled up. Very pretty. And here's just one of them. They look like. Okay. Number 20 is 26mm 18 karat gold plated brass and cubic zirconium fold over moon clasp. Whoa. Trying to see. That is really. Look at that. Boy, they really knocked it out of the park this time. So that's the front, and then here's the back. This is really cool. So it opens up like that. So you could use it like that. You could use this as a bail, I'm sure, some sort of a bail. Even though it's for a clasp for, you know, the back of a necklace. It's really cool. I love that. Never seen anything like that before. And last but not least, number 21, 1 meter of 3x2mm hypoallergenic stainless steel cable chain, which is good for all uses. Let me just kind of. So this box was gorgeous. Bohemian Nights Collection by Bargain Bead Box. And like I said, I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. I will also leave a link below to their website, so you can just click on it below. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and please leave a comment. It really helps my channel, and it helps me stay motivated to create more content. And you can hit that notification bell, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And all of my social media links are in the description as well. And I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you so much and have a great day.